Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. In our previous video, I have shown you that how we'll calculate the materials for brick work for 5-inch wall and also for 10-inch wall. And in this video, I'll show you that how we'll find out different quantity for a slab. And if you're new here, you can watch my previous video. There have many videos in our channel that is related to civil engineering, also for design video, analysis video, and here I'm covering a estimating tutorial. So let's start. Here is our RCC slab quantity estimation. For RCC slab quantity estimation, here you can see that. So here we'll consider that the length of our slab is 100 feet. Suppose that is the length and that is the width. So length of the slab is L equal to 100 feet. And width of slab is B equal to 70 feet. And we'll consider thickness of our slab is 6 inch. 6 is thickness slab, and length is 100 feet and width is 70 feet. And also we'll consider that percentage of steel with respect to volume is, we'll consider that 1.5%. 5%. Generally 1.5% is enough for slab. Sometimes it's considered according to structure 1.5%, 1.25%, 1.5%, 1.75%. It's depend on a structure and its load. So you'll find out that percentage. I mean, this percentage is used according to thumbnails rule. See, you will find out that value in internet if you search that, or according to code. After that, I'll consider that our materials ratio is cement, sand, stone is 1:2:3. 1:2:3. Our ratio is 1:2:3. 3. So now if we calculate the weight volume of materials, so they have two terms, weight volume and dry volume. Weight volume means the exact volume of the structure, because we know that when we mix water with our dry materials, then it shrink its volume. That's why always we have to find out the value in dry volume. The quantity should be in dry volume. Otherwise, when you will buy your materials, it will be short. So here weight volume is L into V into T. The length into width into T. That means our equation will be like that, equal to 100 into 70 into 6 divided by 12. So if we calculate that, we'll find that value 3500 CFT. After that, we'll go for dry volume, and we know that for dry volume, the dry volume is 1.5 times of weight volume. 1.5 times of weight volume. I mean, if we multiply the weight volume with 1.5, Then we'll find out our wet volume, dry volume, and by using dry volume we'll calculate our materials quantity. So here that is a dry volume. By using that dry volume we'll find out our quantity. Materials calculation for slab. So here material calculation for slab. First of all we'll calculate cement. Here is our cement, and for cement we know that we have to multiply the volume with cement ratio. We know that the ratio is 1:2:3. So cement ratio is 1. We have considered it as A. So the volume, dry volume, into 1 divided by summation of total ratio 1:2:3. It's 6. So we'll find out that value, and after that we have to divide that value by 1.25 by 1.25, because we know that the volume of volume of on-bag cement is 1.25 CFT, or 50 kg cement volume is 1.25 CFT. That's why to find out the number of bag of cement we have to divide the cement volume by 1.25. So our required cement is 700 bags. After that we'll go here for sand. We'll multiply the dry volume with percentage of sand, ratio of sand. It's 2, so that value will be multiplied by 2 and divided by total ratio. So then we'll find out that value for sand. And for stone, similarly we have to multiply with stone's ratio, 3. VD into 3, VD is 5250 divided by A plus B plus C, total ratio, summation of total ratio. Then we'll find out our stone. That's in this way we are able to find out our quantity. And after that, if we go down, and we'll find out our steel. So here steel calculation for slab. To find out steel, we have to know about one thing, that 1 CFT steel is weight of 1 CFT steel is 222.5 kg. 1 CFT steel equal to 222.5 kg steel. So we have considered that our volume was 1.5%, maybe. I'll check that. Yes, 1.5%. So here volume of steel, I have identified that in bracket. Weight volume of materials. Here is important thing, weight volume, not dry volume. The weight volume of material into percent of steel. Weight volume of material into percent of steel. So VS, volume of steel, equal to VW, weight volume, into SP, percentage of steel. So our weight volume was how much? That was 3500. So that is 3500 into 1.5 divided by 100. Then we'll find out our steel volume, I mean in CFT 52.5 CFT, and if we multiply that value with 222.5, then we'll find out our steel requirement in kg, and in this way we're enabled to find out our different material in slab. And after knowing the quantity value, I mean the price of that wall value, you can find out your total amount of cost. So thank you very much, and if you think that is it clear and helpful for you, then press the like button so that I can understand about that, and also give a comment. And if you also think that they have any confusion here, you can mail me or comment me below. So stay connected till next video.